Hi, this is Daniel Young with Kingdom Roofing Systems in Indiana. We have a location in Marion, Indiana, and also Indianapolis. We specialize in both retail and insurance restoration, and we also do residential and commercial. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the Equipter and the value that it's brought to both our company, our project managers, and our sub crews. So over the last 8 to 9 years, we've really audited our customer feedback. And through that feedback, the top 2 things that we've realized has been an issue is 1, nails left behind in the yard, and then 2, communication. We wanted to make sure that we were very intentional in the safety of our customers. And so we know that when we use the Equipter, we're much more likely to leave a clean yard with no hidden nails. Now that we have the Equipter, we have very few callbacks at all on nails being left behind. You know, most customers, they're comparing companies, projects, roofing packages, and with that, we have to justify our cost. If we're 5 or 10% more than our competitor, there's got to be a reason why. And so we felt like the Equipter was one of those reasons that we could justify that our roof was worth more, because we're focusing on the safety of our crews and the safety of our customers and their children. Another thing is that we like is that the Equipter is quite nimble, and so we get into tight places that a bigger piece of equipment like a telehandler cannot get into. And so when we come out with a piece of equipment like an Equipter, our customer knows how much we care. We deliver a product faster, better, and safer. After a year of use of the RB4000, we have decided that one of our next investments is going to be the RB2000. And what we have found is that the RB4000 is our workhorse. It does the massive heavy lifting. It's the piece of equipment that we use 80–90% of the time on these job sites. But we have a project right now that's actually in the works that is the backyard. It's limited, very limited access. There's a 4-foot 6-inch gate in the backyard, and it's in a total courtyard. Beautiful property. We want to make sure that we deliver the best performance and the highest quality install while being extremely safe. Our RB4000 that's doing most of the heavy lifting on the 70% that's not in this courtyard is unable to reach this area in the back and get through this gate. So the RB2000 is the perfect piece of equipment. I don't know of another piece of equipment that could get into this space and do the work that we need it to do. So I like it because it's nimble. So there's a time and a place for both pieces of equipment, and we really feel like having both of these pieces of equipment will continue to make us even more efficient. So pre-Equipter, our average recommendation rate was in the mid-80s, about 86–87%. And tracking the last 2 quarters, we are well over 90%. So we have greatly increased our recommendation rate, and I do 100% give credit to Equipter as part of that program, where we are listening to our customers' feedback, identifying pain points where we can be better, where we want to deliver the highest quality roof system at the greatest value and the greatest price. And the Equipter has absolutely pushed the needle on that.